What's going on, everybody, and welcome to a Smart Investor channel. So, breaking news for NIO EV maker. They have just announced, guys, that their electric car factory will shut down for 5 days due to a global chip shortage. This global issue has been in the news for a couple of weeks now, and it was a matter of time, guys, that before NIO and any other EV makers would come out publicly to confirm the impact. So now the stock is currently down 8% and still going, guys. So we'll look definitely today at the news. We'll do a technical chart analysis as well as my buying strategy. For those new to the channel, I'm a corporate professional stock investor, real estate investor, and a passionate gamer. And I also do YouTube videos to share my knowledge and passion with like minds like yourselves. So that being said, please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to not miss any of my videos. Guys, truly appreciate it for taking that extra second for pushing that like button. Before moving on, if you trade in different currencies like I do and you'd love to save tons of money when exchanging your dollars, then use my link below to TransferWise to start saving right now and getting some perks by using my personal link. Now let's get back to business. All right, guys, so the breaking news by the China economy: Chinese electric car startup NIO shuts factory for 5 complete days due to the global chip shortage. And like I said, guys, okay, every EV maker that are using the chips are going to be affected by this. So it's not going to be only NIO, as you'll see trending in the next couple of days and weeks. You'll start seeing Tesla, XPeng, and so on and so forth will be affected, and you'll see their shares being impacted as well. Now, what is the impact concretely for those 5 days? So they're saying now that they expect 19,500 deliveries for the first 3 months of the year versus what was forecasted at 20K to 20.5K. So that is not a huge deal, guys, but if the shortage continues throughout the year, we might see a reviewed numbers, in my opinion, for the whole year, and then we might start seeing bigger problems here, okay? I don't expect this chip shortage issue to be resolved in the next couple of days. I think it's going to take several weeks to months before it gets resolved. There's a lot of tensions between US and China as well, politically speaking. So in the midst of all this environment, guys, don't expect NIO to be skyrocketing anytime soon. I think on the quite opposite side, we will have to find a bottom in the stock price and consolidate from there. So don't expect this to be going to the moon right now, guys. So the strategy for me will be very interesting in the next couple of days and weeks. Now let's look at the charts. All right, so NIO currently trading at $34.89. That's down 8%, and that is pre-market, okay? Very important, guys. The market is still not open. So there is definitely a sell-off currently happening, and by the time this opens, I do anticipate this will sell off and continue to sell off. Just before the breaking news got released this morning, we were trading around $36 to $37. So it was actually consolidating well. But then when this breaking news got out, boom, look at this. We just went downhill from there, okay? What I think is going to happen personally, and I hope it happens very quickly and momentarily like it did here back in early March, is that we're going to dip at $31 level. And I think because of the shortage of chips and the tensions with the US and China, we may see, guys, and this is just my personal opinion, I think we may reach the support level at the $29 level. I think it will dip below $30. If it's not today, maybe in a couple of next days, weeks, if we do see other negative news about this shortage, okay? And also about the delisting of Chinese companies. So be very aware of this risk because it is considerable. In my personal opinion, though, I don't think NIO is in a considerable high risk. I think that this global issue around the shortage of chips is going to be a global issue for all other companies. So they're all going to be equally affected. I think so long as they resolve this in the next couple of weeks, months, most likely months, we will be okay, okay? Those projections that they have in sales and revenues, I think are going to be lowered, but not significantly. And at the end of the day, you have to ask yourself, are you a long-term investor or a short-term profit taker? And either way is okay by me. I am both, but I think at the end of the day, NIO will come up on top along with Tesla. So definitely the path to profitability and to higher price targets in NIO will have bumps. And that was to be expected, okay? It's a highly volatile market, but also a stock. And the EV market is getting huge impacts right now, as you can see globally, right? So that being said, guys, no questions asked. If this does dip close to the $30, so $31, I will definitely add shares to this. And there is no questions that if it falls below $30, I will add considerable money into this stock. So that is my buying strategy. I will not buy in the prices of $35 and plus. Definitely closer to $30 and below below 30, that would be a huge discount that I cannot miss on NIO. So those are my thoughts, guys. What do you think? Are you bullish? Are you bearish on this? Are you adding more shares, or are you selling out completely? Let me know in the comments below. And please smash that like button, guys. It truly tremendously helps and supports the channel. So thank you, guys. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.